No way.
Sério? De jeito nenhum.
Make up your mind.
Decida-se.
You've got to be kidding me.
Você só pode estar brincando.
I am at the mall with my friend Emma. I want to buy a dress. I see a beautiful one, and I love it. I want this dress, I say. Emma looks at the price and says, No way. It is too expensive. I think for a moment. I really like this dress, but then Emma shows me another one. It is also beautiful and cheaper. Maybe this one is better, I say. Emma crosses her arms and looks at me. Oh, come on. Make up your mind. I laugh and decide to buy the second dress. Okay, I take this one. Emma smiles. Great. Let's go to the food court now. But then I see a pair of shoes.
Oh, look.
New shoes, Emma says. You've got to be kidding me. Yesterday, my friend Jake and I worked on a school project. We had to make a poster about the solar system. Jake looked at my design and said, No way. The sun is too small. I sighed, but I like it this way. Jake shook his head and showed me his version. The sun was huge, but the planets looked tiny. Maybe we should use mine, he said. I crossed my arms and looked at him. Oh, come on. Make up your mind. First, you say mine is wrong. Now you want to change everything. Jake laughed. Okay, let's mix both ideas. I smiled. Good. Now, let's print it. But then Jake pointed at the title. Oh no, there's a spelling mistake. I groaned. You've got to be kidding me. Next weekend, my family and I will go to the beach. I will pack my bag on Friday. I will take my swimsuit, sunglasses, and sunscreen. My brother will look at my bag and say, No way. You are taking too many things. I will laugh. But I need all of them. Then he will show me his small backpack. Look at mine. I only have a towel and shorts. I will roll my eyes. Oh, come on. Make up your mind. You always forget something and then you use my things. He will smile. Okay, maybe I'll take a few more things. I will zip my bag and say, Great, now we are ready to go. But then my mom will check the weather and say, Oh no, it will rain all weekend. I will sigh. You've got to be kidding me. If I had to cook dinner tonight, I would make pasta. I would prepare a delicious tomato sauce with garlic and basil. But I know my sister would look at my dish and say, No way. You always make pasta. I would laugh. But it's my favorite dish. Then she would show me a recipe for sushi. Why don't you try something different? I would shake my head. Oh, come on. Make up your mind. Last time, you said you wanted pasta. She would smile. Okay, maybe pasta is a good idea. I would start cooking, but then I would check the fridge and say, Oh no, we don't have pasta.
My sister would sigh.
You've got to be kidding me.
Like and subscribe to the channel.